students, welcome to science video class. So take page number 89 of your textbook and start filling textbook with me. First one, see what we have to do here. Match the pictures with the correct name of seasons. What we have to do? We have to look at this picture and then we have to match it with its name. See first one. Which picture is this? Picture of winter season. Very good. So match it with winter season. Next, what is there in this picture? Rain is coming. So which season it is? Rainy season. So let us match it with rainy season. Next one. This picture shows which season? Autumn. So match it. Next is summer. So match it with summer season. And the last one, spring. See, weather is very pleasant. It is spring season. Done? Yes. Next one. Tick right the correct answer. What we have to do? We have to tick the correct answer. In that, number 1. Leaves fall from trees during autumn or spring. In which season leaves will fall down? Autumn season or spring season? Autumn. So tick the correct answer. Autumn. Next, it snows on hot या cold days in hilly areas. कौन से days में hilly areas पे snows होता है? Hot days या cold days? Cold days. Very good. Next one. It is very hot during spring or summer. In which season hot is there? Spring or summer? Summer. So tick the answer. Next. The rain or autumn season is also called the monsoon. What is another name of monsoon? Rainy or autumn? Rainy. So tick it. Done. Next one. Write 2 sentences about each of the following season. What we have to do here? We have to write 2 sentences for each season. Number 1 is summer. What will happen in summer? It is very hot. And what do we wear? We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. So write with me. It is very hot in summer. Then we wear cotton clothes. Done? Yes. Turn the page. Take next page. Next is winter. Which type of weather is there? It is very cold. And what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes. So write with me. It is very cold during winter. Then we wear woolen clothes. Number 3, monsoon. What is there in a monsoon? There are dark clouds. So write with me. There are dark clouds in the sky. What do we use in monsoon season? We use raincoats and umbrellas. So write here. We use umbrellas and raincoat. Done? Yes. Next is autumn. In autumn, weather is neither hot nor cold. So write here, weather is neither hot nor cold. And what about second sentence? What will happen in autumn? Trees will shed the leaves. So write here, most of the trees shed leaves. Done? Yes. Then spring. What will happen in spring season? New leaves will grow. So write here, new leaves grow on trees. And what type of weather is there? Weather is very pleasant. So write here, weather is very pleasant. Done? Yes. Now what is there next one? True or false? We have to write if statement is true. What we will write? T. And if statement is false, then F. Number 1. The weather changes from day to day. Day to day weather change होता रहता है. Yes. So statement is true. Write here T for true. Next, on cloudy days, dark clouds hide the moon. See, when it is cloudy days, dark clouds will hide the sun or moon. Yes, it will hide the sun. So answer is false. F for false. Next, strong winds blow on windy days. During windy days, wind will be strong or slow? Winds will be strong. So T for true. There are 7 different types of seasons in a year. There are 7 seasons? No, there are only 5 seasons. So false. F for false. Next, cotton clothes keep us warm. Cotton clothes give us warm? No. So answer is false. Done? Yes. Next one. Draw a picture of your favorite season. Write 4 or 5 sentences about it. But it is your homework. What we have to do here? Here you have to write 4 or 5 sentences of your favorite season and see. On the next page, this box is given. Here what you have to do? You have to draw the picture of your favorite season. Okay? But this you have to do it as your homework section. Turn the page. Take page 92. Look at the following pictures and complete the sentences. See, which type of season is there in Delhi? Cold. In Kolkata, what is there? Windy day. Very good. Mumbai, sunny. And Kerala, rainy. So from this picture, now you have to fill this blank. See, it is blank in Delhi. What is there in Delhi? Which type of weather is there? Cold. So write here C-O-L-D, cold. Next, it is blank in Mumbai. Which type of weather is there in Mumbai? Sunny. So write here S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. It is blank in Kolkata. Look at the picture given for Kolkata. Which type of day is there? Windy day. So write here windy. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Next, it is blank in Kerala. What about Kerala? It is rainy season. So write here rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Done? Yes. And now last one is web chart. See, weather. What type of weathers are there? Cold, then sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy. Yes or no? Yes. So here cold is given. So write next one. Windy, W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Then rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Next is, what will come? Sunny, very good. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny weather. And last one. Yes, what will come? Next is cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy weather. Done? Yes. Next is seasons. One is given, winter. So next what will come? Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer season. Then rainy season or monsoon season. You can write rainy also and monsoon also. Here I am writing rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Then which season will come? Autumn. Very good. A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. Then spring. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring season. Done? Yes. So here chapter 13 is completed. Let us meet in next class with a new chapter. Bye. Take care.